Okay, sir, good morning. I want to show you how to test run the changes I made. So you open the file explorer, the normal file explorer on your desktop or anywhere. Then locate Google Drive, usually by your left hand side. So look for QuickBook software. I've already pinned my. Let me click QuickBook software. You will see my drive. You click my drive. You see Markdown Company. You click it. So instead of clicking this normal one you used to press, click this other one that I put 2, this one with 2, and you click it to open. Make sure you have internet, sir. Make sure you have internet when you are doing all these things. So I'll put the default password, which is the same 13456, then the admin.
My name is PIB. I am new personal business AI.
Then I'll head over to, if you look up here, you see the workers production. So see it up your workers production, and don't go to dashboard, just go to workers production direct from here. So I'll click it. It takes me to the workers production section. So on this workers production section, you can see I can scroll down. The header is stagnant, so I can always guide you wherever you are. I can scroll back up. So number 1, I've done some samples. All these samples, normally you will not fill all this column, sir. I just did this so I can use to generate a report. But I'm not generated the complete report. I want you to look at it before I generate the complete report. So this one is for general. You can see serial number, dates, general. When you see G is for general produce item, general product item, general product size, general under repair, general under production, workers name. It's not a must you must use this one. There was a sheet I snapped that I saw you were calculating the total, which is the general, and so you can look if you want to use it, if you don't want to use it. But this is the main one for the money section. Now after you selected the person, let me fill one. Okay, the number is automatic. I'll just put in my clock. Okay, now I will go to Jeep and general produce item. I'll say, okay, what do you want to track? I want to track straight shape. Okay, what size of straight shape? Look at all the sizes of straight shape pots. Okay, then I'll say how many is under repair. I'll say today 20 is under repair. Then under production, 7 is under production. And worker's name, now I want to start the worker's name for money section. I'll select my worker, let's say Joshua Ogazi. Then the generator will be on. Which generator was on? When let's say 110 kVA Perkins. Generator started at what time? At this time. When you see this error, just end. It started at this time. That error means, let me show you the error again. It's telling you that it's giving you the current time, but it's telling you that the current time has changed. That time I gave you has changed, because as time is going, time is changing. So don't think that that's the current time of now. That was the current time you stamped it. That's what it's trying to say. Alright, so machine item, I saw this on the page you snapped and sent to me. So if you want to use it, use it. If you don't want to use it, just leave it blank. So machine item, laser engraving. Okay, then we'll collect morning. When you see M means morning produce item. I'll click it and say straight shape. We want to make straight shape pots, so I'll go to the size 18 by 3.2, a straight shape pot 20 by 11, I mean. Then morning pot produced for Joshua Ogazi. He produced 9 pots. Then he damaged 2 pots. Then generator was off at what time? I'll mark the time generator was off here. So generator fault, what was the fault of the generator? I'll say maybe oil filter, changing oil, air filter, spark plug. Then we now enter afternoon section. Generator type, which generator did they use? 275. And when the generator starts, I'll mark the time by 10:14 a.m. That's when it started. Then I'll clock in for the work. When is this job starting? When is Joshua Ogazi starting his afternoon session? I'll clock in. Now machine type, like I said, I saw it on your report. I don't know if you use it, you don't use it. I'll say punching hole. If you use it, you can leave it blank. So the afternoon produce item, I'll click it and then say what are they producing. Maybe it's belly, maybe it's pot cover. What size of pot cover? Let's say belly cover 16 by 3.2. Then it's asking me afternoon pot produced for Joshua Gazi. I'll say 13. Then how many did Joshua Gazi damage? I'll say 5. Then I'll see generator was off at what time. I'll mark the time generator was off. If there was fault with generator? If there was no fault, ignore it. If there was fault, you state the fault of generator. Inspection. Then you can see total produced down here for morning and afternoon. Total produced was 22 pots, both for morning and afternoon. Now total damage throughout the day, morning and afternoon, for Joshua Ogazi was 7. Now this is week 12 and this is the month of March. Now this one is to track your week and month and your daily activity. So I have not generated the final report. I want you to look at it, sir, before I dive into the final report, so I don't make things permanent and waste my time. It took me a long time to do this, sir. So just look at it and let me know the next step.